How to delete a poll on Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about either it is possible to delete poll on Facebook or not. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Facebook Messenger application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now after that, once you're in the chat section, but if you try to delete this poll and long press on it, this will only let you edit, add option, or simply close this window. If you don't want to see this poll, you can go ahead and simply delete group message. And if this poll is bothering you and you do not want anyone to vote in this poll, you can change the option to anything else and go to the group settings. You can go ahead and remove the member from the group if you don't want them to view the poll and vote onto it, and make a new group chat and add them again. So there is no direct way to delete poll on Facebook Messenger app. The only thing you can do is delete the entire conversation or remove the people so that they don't see the poll in the chat. So that's it for the video. So I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.